guys? I'm here at my local tire shop, Arcall Tire Shop. I've been using these guys for years to do my shit. So this is the aftermath of my burnout and donut sessions. I've only had these tires for 3 weeks, and as you can see, I got the threads coming out. That shit does not look cool. So right now we got the Hellcat on stilts. I'm actually changing my rims. I don't really like the gold color that these are, so I bought a set of stance rims. I actually got this for a really good deal from this dude off of Facebook Marketplace. I got this and a K&N cold air intake for like 1,700 bucks. And the 2 sets of rears, I'm gonna do like a staggered one. These are the Continental Extreme Contact, so these should be good. Much better than the 275s that I was rocking. I mean, these are nice and beefy. Look at that. Look how fat these are. So yeah, man, it's just a beautiful day in Jersey. Enjoying my Hellcat. I went over to the wrap shop. That was gonna be my next video, but I have to do paint correction because I don't know if you can see right here, it's like textured from all the bird shit that I was mentioning earlier in one of my previous videos. So I have to get it paint corrected first. It's another 400 bucks, but it is what it is. It's, you know, it's all the next steps in the vision of my car. So yeah, I plan to run staggered 275s in the front and 315s in the rear. I really want to, like, after owning the Hellcat for, you know, just 3 weeks and going through a set of rear tires already, I really want to make sure that I, you know, save these Continentals as much as I can, and then I'll probably just get a burner set of rims or drag radials for the back for when I want to while out, you know. Bonus footage. Look at this rad Firebird that just pulled up. He's got a flat and he's coming here to fix it, but I think this is pretty rad. I used to love these cars when I was a kid. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the finished product after they mount and balance everything. Alrighty, guys, we got the first set on right here. These rims are looking nice, albeit they're very dusty and dirty. I'm gonna run her through the wash after this. They've been mounted and balanced. The Continental Extreme Contacts. There's the old ones. Ugh. Look at this Firebird. I must say, I like how they're looking, but this is definitely not my final form. Look at that. Look at these Brambos. Man, I really gotta clean those. Holy shit. Just looking good. Got the Firebird, old school and new school. Looks dope, man. What's up, everybody? So these guys at Arcall Tire Shop in Roselle, they did a good job like always. And here she is. New shoes, baby. They're dirty as hell right now, but I'm definitely liking the look. Look at that. Funny story, after I was doing those burnouts and those tires got down to the wire, I was driving back home and then I see these like whips coming at me and they just whip the shit out of my car. I mean, it'll come right off, but that's just rubber. It's fucking crazy, this car, man. Something different, but yeah, she's looking nice and mean. Stay tuned for the next updates. I can't wait. Alrighty, look at this. Yeah. All right, now the next stop is we're gonna go to my friend Primo. He's got a fire ass place down in South Amboy, New Jersey, and he's gonna do the paint correction on the car, get rid of all this bird shit. All right. What's up, guys? Just my first initial impressions of these Continental Extreme Contacts. And let me say, going from 275 to 315 has definitely increased my traction. I mean, I had the car not even on track mode, on sport mode, just seeing how it would do. And yeah, I mean, I hooked way better. I mean, obviously it still spins, but way less than it does on the Pirelli P0s that come with the car. So yeah, I'm on the way to the body shop right now, to my guy Primo. He's gonna do my paint correction as mentioned before, and yeah. Signing off, buddies. Oh wait, maybe just one pull. Show you guys. Hear the whine. Let's lower the window. I'm not trying to burn these tires, you know. These Lincolns, I mean these Continentals, I really like these. I want to use these as my daily driver tires. I really, really like them. And then I just plan on buying some burners to go do burnouts and all that drifting and shit. I'll probably just find the cheapest tire I can find and just have fun with it, you know. Anyways, let's drop it down to 4th gear. Let's go into a 60 roll. Alright, here we go. Car is too fast for its own good, man. I love it. Alright guys, let me concentrate